Hi, my name is Brett Allison, and today I'm going to go through one of the report sets, which is the configuration report sets. What this does is it allows you to go through and drill down and drill sideways, drill up for all the different configuration elements within a NetApp controller. I'm going to start with the high level, which is the FAS Config report, and it actually has a number of drill downs. I can drill down to the aggregates, the RAID groups, the interfaces, or the vFilers if those are set up. And you can see on the primary page, I have a table that shows the serial numbers, the location information, the DSS names, the microcode level, the DSS model, and the drive technology. What this does is it allows you to see real quickly where your systems are, what microcode they have, and what kind of drive technologies they rely on. And then if you are interested, you can drill down and see additional information by clicking on one of the fields in the table. So I've gone down and looked at my aggregates, and this is showing me capacity and RAID type, and I can go down to my RAID groups here and see how, what kind of RAID groups I have and what kind of space I have. And if I wanted to, I could see the performance of those RAID groups by clicking down and drilling down further. So let's go over to the capacity table. The capacity table provides a real quick way of seeing how much capacity you have across your NetApp system, and also allows you to see who's using that capacity. So let's drill down on the aggregates for one of my systems. This is going to show me the space that's used and available by each aggregate. And from here I can go down to the RAID groups, which is kind of a back-end view, or I can go down to the FlexVol, which is the sort of front-end host view. And in my FlexVols, I'm able to see all of the space that's used for each of the different LUNs or FlexVols, and I can see their associated LUNs if I wanted to, or I could get a performance summary for any individual FlexVol. So in this case, I'm looking at a performance summary of a FlexVol that I've selected, and what I'm going to see is a series of charts that describe the read and write I/O characteristics as well as the latency for this particular volume. It's very detailed, very granular over time, and I can see, when I had a spike, what was going on. Was it read or was it write throughput? And if I want to, I can go straight to those LUNs, or I can go to the FlexVols themselves. They're very flexible in how I approach that. The last table I wanted to cover was the host table. And what this does is this allows me to see which host initiators are associated with which of my NetApp filers. So when I drill down to the host initiators, I get this big long list of initiator groups. And from here, I can go and see the associated LUNs. And then, of course, now I'm kind of back where I was before. I'm seeing the LUNs and the aggregates and the flex volume that's related to it, and I can drill over to the FlexVol, or I can go back to the initiator group. So all of this information, the host initiator groups and the aggregates, the volumes, the FlexVols, it's all in there and it's all linked. So you can quickly see who is using your storage and how they relate to the different LUNs and the aggregates, and even down to the hardware specifications. So this is an excellent way of just keeping track of your NetApp configuration for all of your NetApp systems.